In the previous video, we spoke about natural notes, the framework that both Indian and Western music is built on. But what happens when music needs more color, or the number of notes that are existing are not enough to set the mood? This is where Vikrit Swar in Hindustani classical and altered notes in Western music come into play. We start with Shuddha Swar or natural notes, but not all notes stay pure. Some of them can move slightly from their original position to create a different emotional flavor. These changed notes are called Vikrit Swar or altered notes. If we have to observe on a piano, altered notes are found one semitone up or down from the natural note. So there are two types of altered notes or Vikrit Swar, Komal and Tivra. Komal is slightly lower than natural note, Tivra is slightly higher than natural note. In Indian classical, the names of the notes are fixed. It won't change. If a note is called Komal Re, it will stay Komal Re no matter what its direction is. But in Western, sharps and flats are not absolute identities. The names are context based. A note can be called A sharp in an ascending order. The same note can be called B flat in a descending order. Even though the sound is exactly the same, its identity changes. Because Western music focuses on scale structure, letter sequence and harmonic function. But when it comes to the application of sharps and flats, Shuddha and Tivra Swar, it's all the same. Out of 7 notes, only 5 notes can change their position. Why so? I will cover that concept in other video. But in Indian classical music, the notes Re, Ga, Ma, Dha, Ni can change their position. Now let's see what happens in Western music. Western music also says what happens if I move this note slightly up or down. So they use flats for lowered notes and sharps for raised notes. All of it is just the same thing.